My name is Tess Milne and I'm here in Valkenswaard because I'm shooting for Inside Gamer. That's a Dutch gaming show. I never rode on a bike before. And I got like 20 minutes to practice, which was really difficult. So in the beginning, when I went on the track, it went horrible. I fell down and it was really scary. But then afterwards, after my first jump, it was like the biggest sensation ever. It was like an ecstasy trip. I thought the game was much more easier and relaxing in the beginning. So I was like, oh, I just want to be on my couch right now and play the game. But then in the end, the real thing is quite a sensation. So I recommend to do the real thing as well. So, of course, Gauthier won, but I survived the track, so I'm really proud of myself as well. And it was a great experience.